Hello everyone, today, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up no mask detection in GeoVision Guard. Let's start by setting up no mask detection. Access the GeoVision Guard dashboard and navigate to the toolbar. Click on Configure. Then select Video Process. A pop-up window will appear with a list of cameras. Now click on the IVAs tab. From the drop-down menu, select Face Mask Detection. Now, in the camera list, select the camera you want to set up for no mask detection. Next, go to Settings. Here you can configure the detection settings. First, to select a specific detection area, adjust the red dots in the preview section. However, for this setup, we'll keep the detection area as the whole screen to detect no mask. In confidence value, we can configure it from 1 to 95. The default value is 50. We are keeping the default value for now. In sensitivity, you can adjust the sensitivity from 1 to 5. The higher the value, the more sensitive the detection is. The mask region is for drawing areas on the image that the detection will ignore. We can configure the detection area settings by right-clicking on the live view screen. Then, click on Edit. From here, you can set an ID for the detection area. In the event interval, we can specify the time interval between events to prevent frequent alerts. Any events that occur during that time are ignored. Additionally, you can add an I/O box to trigger the alarm when no mask is detected. From here, you can select a custom audio file for the alarm. You can also send notifications via Telegram and email. Click OK to save them. Now, let's perform a confidence check with our environment. Now, stop the confidence test and close the window. Let's start monitoring and see GeoVision Guard in action. Yes, GeoVision Guard is successfully detecting people without masks. Let's view the no mask detection events in the AI event table. Go to the toolbar. Then select Tools. Next, click on System Log. Finally, click on the AI event table. In the AI event table, you can see all of the no face mask detected events by GeoVision Guard, along with the corresponding date and time. Double-clicking on a snapshot in the live AI event lists to play back an event. This is all for today. Thanks for watching.